Hi friends, welcome to Diva's Nest. Today we are going to make a very quick and tasty recipe, that is grilled chicken with honey sauce. So if you like our videos and if you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So let's get started. So here I've taken two breast pieces of chicken. So I've washed it and it is very much ready for marination. So for the marination, I'm taking a mixer jar. Into that I'm adding around 8 to 9 cloves of garlic, one large piece of ginger. We can slice it and add it into the mixer. Then I'm adding around quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, and next is 8 to 9 peppercorns, and then we are adding around 1.5 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. So the Kashmiri chili powder and the peppercorns you can add according to your spice level. And then I'm adding around 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder. Then we need to add around half a teaspoon of jeera powder or cumin powder, and then I'm adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala into this. After adding all these spice powders, then we need to add around 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, okay, then 2 tablespoon of lime juice and 2 tablespoon of cooking oil. Then we need to also add salt according to taste, and after that we need to add water, very little water, do not over add water, and we need to grind it into a coarse paste. So we have added all the ingredients now, so we let us grind it and get this mixture ready. So once the mixture is ready, the next process is we can check the taste once. If the salt is correct, if the salt is less, we can add more, and then we will start marinating the chicken with this particular masala. So add the masala evenly and spread it around the chicken on all sides. One more ingredient you can add, that is the mixed herbs. This is totally optional. So if you like it, you can add around half a teaspoon of it and sprinkle it around. And then we need to mix it well and then use a fork and prick all sides of the chicken pieces so the marinade gets well soaked well. And then we need to cover it and we need to allow it to marinate for minimum 1 hour. You can refrigerate it. And then once the marination is complete, then we will start grilling the chicken. So for that I have taken a grill pan. Into that I'm adding around 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. You can add any cooking oil of your choice. Here I've taken olive oil, and then we can add the chicken pieces into this. So here add the chicken pieces, keep the flame on low to medium because we have taken big pieces. So it will take a little longer time for the inside part of the breast pieces to get cooked. So don't keep it on high flame, it will only get burnt. The masala will get burnt, but it will not get cooked. So allow it to cook on both sides evenly, and it will, if you want, you can cover it with a lid and then allow it to cook also. Turn it on both sides and then let it cook. So in the meantime, we will make the sauce. So for that, into a bowl, I'm adding around 2 tablespoons of lime juice and 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. And then we need to add 3 tablespoons of honey into this. So you can change the quantity of honey and lime juice according to your taste, but this gives a very nice flavor, this combination. You can try it. Then we need to also add around half a teaspoon of chili flakes. It is totally optional. The chili flakes is totally optional. So mix it well, and now we will see how our chicken is doing. So the chicken seems to be well cooked. After the chicken is cooked completely, then we need to add the sauce to it. So we can take around 1 tablespoon of the sauce. Mix well before you are adding on to it. Add it on both sides of the chicken pieces. Keep the flame on high, but ensure that it is not getting burnt, and then allow it to cook for at least 2 minutes after applying the sauce on top. Then it is ready to be served. We can take it off the pan. So here you can see how beautiful and tasty it looks. So it is extremely tasty. You can all try it. It is very simple. If you are not comfortable to use large chicken pieces, then you can cut it into pieces initially itself and then grill it. So it will be easier. The cooking time will also be less if you are comfortable with that. And before serving, we can add the remaining sauce on top, and then you can see how how it looks very tender, juicy and yummy. Hope you all liked it. Please do try and share your feedback. Thank you so much for watching.